Hello everyone, I am Mr. P. Satra. Once again I am coming back to you for Python's 5th class, and today my topic is mathematical library function in Python. Before going to start my class, this is my request, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notification. Okay, so let us start our class, mathematical library functions. In computer, whenever we will do some calculations, sometimes we need different types of calculations. Whenever we have to use square, whenever we have to make the power calculation or the square root calculation or any other mathematical, suppose something like any fractional value we have to promote it up, means round it up. Any fractional value we have to round it down, means lot of different types of calculation. If you need, then definitely we have to use these mathematical functions in Python. But before going to start this explanation of these functions, we have to understand first this library function, this math library we have to import in Python. Then we can write all this, then we can implement all these things. So mathematical library functions, a math module, we will call, how import math. So before going to start the program, we have to write this in your program, then we can start all these things. Now let us see one by one, we will understand. I'll show you in computer also, we will understand it clearly. Okay, let's see the first function. The first I have written the main priority, means whenever generally we will apply, these are the main important functions. Definitely we need this also, but most vitally when regularly or frequently we can use this ceil, floor, sqrt, f absolute and power, f mod and factorial, gcd 10, all these things. Mainly this top order, this functions we will use mostly. Okay, let's see all this function one by one. I'll explain. Let's see the first one, that is math dot sceil, ceil. This function, whenever we will apply, it will give you what? Suppose math, math dot ceil, ceil. If you write 4 point or 3.3.1 or 3.5 or 3.9, any value you will write using math.ceil, what will happen? Computer will give you only 4. It is promoting, means rounded up. The value will be rounded up. So math.ceil, it will convert the value into this form. So 3.1, any fractional value, it will be in this way. Okay, if you write the negative value, what will happen? Suppose my negative value is minus 3.9. What the value will come? The time we will get minus 3 only. What the value we will get? Minus 3 only. So in this way, this is math.ceil. Now let us math.floor. The floor is just reverse. Let's see how math.floo or math.floor 3.1 or 3.5 or 3.9, any value you will write, the value will be rounded down. That means you will get a value 3. So this value will, this any fraction will be coming in this 3. So these two main functions, whenever we need this type of calculation, we will apply this ceil and floor. Even the Java also we can use this math.ceil, math.floor. Here also we can use in this way. Okay, in Java we will get the like this 3.0, something like this, 4.0, something like this. Okay, now let's see, we will go for that. Next function is sqrt. So sqrt, math.sqrt, square root. Suppose 16 if you write, what will happen? Computer will give you 4. So math.power function. Power function, suppose 3, 3. That means 3 to the power 3. That means 3 into 3 into 3 means 27. what the value will come? 27. Math dot f fractional mode, this f mod, okay, the absolute function I forgot to tell you. So math dot f abs, if you write suppose 1.5 minus 1.5, what will come? 1.5 means fractional. This absolute value means we will remove that the symbol minus or plus whatever it is before the number, we will remove that, the value will come in this way 1.5. Now so this other functions I've explained right now. So power abs f mod, math dot fmod mod. How you will deal this? Suppose 7.5 comma 3, what will happen? This 7.5, if you divide like this, 3 2s are 6, what is the remainder actually? 1.5. This one result you will get 1.5. What the value you will get? If you take some other value, math dot fmod mod 6.5 comma 3, the value will come 0.5. So exactly we can understand that is 6.5, we are dividing by 3, 3 2s are 6, okay, so the value is coming what? 0.5. so this value will come here. So this fractional value, that means we are just I'm showing this what is the remainder part, means after subtraction of this, what the remaining value, that I'm showing it here. So this is f mod, okay. Now other thing, what is the next function? I'm showing the main part of this total list, math dot factorial, math dot factorial, math dot factorial. Suppose if you write 4, computer will give you 24. How it is? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, so the final result is coming 24. This is math dot factorial. Now the next one, math dot GCD, you can understand the two numbers you have to give in the argument section. Two numbers you have to give in argument section, math dot GCD. You write suppose 12 comma 3. So the GCD value will come, you can understand. Okay, now I will show you these things in computer, you can understand it very clearly. So let us see that the value how we will get in computer. These are the values how we will get in computer. Let's see, I have written already some values. You see, this is the Python mode. I have opened this in Python mode. You see this, some already I have tested this. You see the computer screen. Before going to start, you see this, what I have written, import math function, the import math library class. Okay, so import math library class, this I have written top of this means Python mode. After that I am using math dot, suppose math dot ceil, what I have written, 3.1. you see that 3.1, what value I have explained? 3.1, it will be 4. Answer is 4. You see that math dot ceil 3.5 also is coming 4. Math dot ceil also 3.9, it is also coming as 4. So all this 4 is coming, whatever the fraction is this, 3.1, 3.2, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9 or 3.001 even. If you write 3.00 even, 001, so that value also you will get as, suppose let me write math dot ceil, suppose 3.006. let's see what answer is coming. It is coming also 4. So it is clear that any fractional value, whenever you will write with the math dot ceil function, what will happen? The value will be converted to rounded up, means it will be rounded up. And in place of ceil, if you test with the same value, math dot floor float, suppose I am writing 3.1. So what value will come? You will get floor means rounded down. So the fraction, that value will be rounded down. math dot floor math dot float, you write 3.5. That will be also 3. Math dot floor math dot float, 3.9, that will be also 3. So these are the values we are getting after writing this one. So I think you can understand how I'm showing you in Python. This is in direct mode. We are not writing the program right now. We are testing the functions. All these functions one by one we will test. We can understand. Then later on, whenever we will write the program, that time we will implement all these functions over there. Okay, I'll show you later on with the program all these things. Now the square root function, math. See that I have terminated this Python environment. Once again I have reloaded this Python, so I have to write this import math function. If you do not write, suppose math dot sqrt square root computer 16, you show me what computer is showing. What computer is showing? Something wrong. Why? Name error. You see that name error, that is math is not defined. Did you forget to import? Did you forget to import math? Yes, I have not mentioned that one. That's why I'm getting this message. So let me import write math. You can write, you can check math dot sqrt. Now you write 16, enter. You will get the value 4.0. It's a double type value. We are getting in double type form. Okay, so this way we can get the square root. If you write math dot sqrt, if you write suppose 81, what will happen? It is giving 9.0. Now it is square root function. Now the next function, computer math dot power function. You write 4,2. So computer, what answer is giving? 16.0. What value we are getting? 16.0. Now another one, suppose math dot you write math dot power 2,3. What will happen? This will give you 8.0. So I think you can understand that how I am implementing, how to write in Python this code. You will write, suppose with the print statement, how you will write? Print math dot power suppose 3,2. Computer print it. Why it's not printing? Because one bracket is missing. Enter. You see that one bracket is missing, that's why we can't see it clearly. Now we are getting that value. You see this one, we can see it clearly. So 9.0 after doing this. Okay, now let us see this next function. What is the next function? Once again I'm coming back from this environment, so I'll write now f absolute value. Import math, you write, then you can implement that. So math dot fabs absolute value minus 5.6. Computer, show me the value without minus symbol. That value is coming 5.6. Fractional absolute value we are getting without any symbols. Absolute means, if you know the Java, then we can understand that in Java, that is any symbol, the absolute, there only ABS. Here we are writing FABS. So any other function, next function is suppose math dot fmod. What will happen? Fmod is suppose 7.5. Computer divide mod division by 3. What will happen? It will give you 1.5. So after removing the quotient, means 3 2s are 6. You are multiplying this 3 2s are 6. If you subtract this value 6 from this number, the remaining part of this number, it is 1.5. If you write math dot fmod computer 6.5, 3, what will happen? Computer will give you, that is 0.5. So you can understand, I already explained this one on the board. So we are getting in this way. Okay, so let's see math dot factorial, FACTORIAL factorial. What the value for? You will get computer. What the value we are getting? 24. And this way math dot GCD computer 12 comma 3. So what value we are getting? 3. Okay, so math dot computer TN 1030 value is coming like this. Okay, then math dot SIN sine 60. So what the value we are getting in this way, whatever the value we are converting using the math dot sine, we will get like this. Math dot cos also is a math dot radians, math dot RADIAN is radians. Suppose 3.14. Computer show me 3.14 is this. Okay, so the different types of math dot radians, math dot degrees, MATH, math dot DGRWS degrees. Suppose 30, what will happen? You are getting like this, the value we are getting like this. Okay, so these are the different functions in Python whenever you are going to apply. So this way we have to test and we will get the answer like this. And log function, if you know the log function also, we can use the log function. So log 10 and math dot exponentiation, these are the functions we can get in Python. So whenever we are going to implement this mathematical functions in this Python, definitely this is the first code we have to write, import math. So I think you will have understood this, whatever I have explained today. So this is important. This class is very, very important. After doing this, we can write different types of program using the mathematical functions. So definitely I will show you something different also, some different topics also on my next class. So today up to this much. So thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel. Please press the bell icon for the notification and give the thumbs up. Thank you very much. Bye all of you.